Ever wondered how much it actually costs to use Venmo? You know, that app everyone seems to be using to send money to friends, pay for coffee, and even split bills on vacations. Is it free? Are there hidden fees lurking around every corner? Well, grab your favorite beverage and settle in, because today we're diving deep into the world of Venmo and uncovering all the costs associated with this popular payment platform. Imagine this: you're out with friends, enjoying a delicious meal, and the bill arrives. Instead of the awkward scramble for cash or the tedious process of splitting the check manually, you simply tap a few buttons on your phone and instantly send your portion to the designated friend. Sounds convenient, right? But what's the catch? Is this magical money-sharing experience truly free? Let's find out. Venmo, owned by PayPal, has become a ubiquitous force in the mobile payment landscape. Its user-friendly interface and social features, like the ability to add emojis and comments to transactions, have made it incredibly popular, especially among younger generations. But behind the sleek design and seamless user experience lies a complex web of fees and potential costs. So, let's break it down. 1. Basic Venmo account. Is it free? The good news is that creating and maintaining a basic Venmo account is completely free. You can sign up using your email address, phone number, or even link your social media accounts. Key features: with a basic account, you can send and receive money from friends and family, make purchases from businesses that accept Venmo, link your bank account or debit card for easy funding, view your transaction history and manage your account settings. 2. Sending money to friends and family. Peer-to-peer transactions. Generally free, sending money to friends and family within the United States is typically free when you use your bank account balance or a linked bank account. Potential fees. Instant transfers. If you need to receive funds instantly, you might incur a fee. This usually involves transferring the money directly to your bank account, bypassing the standard processing time. Credit card use. Using a credit card to fund a Venmo transaction may result in a small fee, usually a percentage of the transaction amount. Important note: always double-check the specific fee structure before sending money, as it can vary slightly depending on the payment method and your account activity. 3. Making purchases from businesses. Varying fees. When you use Venmo to make purchases from businesses, the fee structure can vary significantly. Merchant fees. Businesses may charge their own processing fees, which are typically passed on to the customer. Venmo fees. In some cases, Venmo itself may charge a small fee for processing business transactions. Tips. Check with the business. Always inquire about any potential fees before making a purchase with Venmo. Look for Venmo accepted signs. Many businesses prominently display signage indicating that they accept Venmo payments. 4. Other potential costs. Early withdrawals. If you withdraw funds from your Venmo balance before they have fully cleared, you might encounter early withdrawal fees. Foreign transaction fees. If you use Venmo for international transactions, you may be subject to foreign transaction fees. Late fees. In some cases, Venmo may charge late fees for outstanding balances or overdue payments. 5. Avoiding unexpected costs. Review transaction history regularly. Keep a close eye on your transaction history to ensure that all charges are accurate and authorized. Understand fee structures. Take the time to understand the specific fee structures associated with different payment methods and transaction types. Use your bank account balance when possible. Whenever possible, use your bank account balance to fund Venmo transactions to avoid potential fees. Contact Venmo support. If you have any questions or concerns about fees, contact Venmo's customer support team for clarification. Now, you might be wondering, is Venmo safe? Rest assured, Venmo employs robust security measures to protect your financial information. However, it's always crucial to practice good online security habits, such as creating strong passwords and being mindful of phishing scams. So, there you have it. While a basic Venmo account is free, there are potential costs associated with certain transactions. By understanding these fees and using Venmo wisely, you can enjoy the convenience and flexibility of this popular payment platform without any unpleasant surprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.